Today we have another challenge.
So today we're going to be eating as many marshmallows as we possibly can while still trying to be able to say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Alright, I'm going to get right into it. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, they all came out. They all came out. I'm done. Mine was like, I got like a 5.
I'm gagging so bad.
Oh, they all fell on the floor.
I drooled all over that. Oh.
This probably looks so gross.
Oh yeah, it's disgusting. Oh god. Round 2. Okay.
I guess so. You start us off.
Alright. I think we got like 5.
Let's try.
Chubby Bunny. I'm gonna try like salivate a little bit more.
Chubby Bunny. I'm gonna push it back. Put it all on my cheek.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby
I
Bunny.
think this is the technique. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny, man. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. It's so gross. I can't stop gagging. Oh.
Alright. Everything I can beat 5.
I thought that was 6.
I don't know.
I lost count.
I lost count too. I don't think we need a round 3.
I'm good. Mouth is sufficiently dry.
Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, like, comment, sub, share.
Peace out, Corbin.